Hello everyone, good morning. Benga Adelakun here. So I'm going to be sharing with us something pretty interesting today. There's this software called Photopea, and here it is. If you can see my web browser address, photopea.com. Now, of course, many of us might know it, but many of us don't know the power of this tool. And today in this tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with us one of the many benefits you can get from this tool. It's a website, of course. That means it's accessible to mobile phone users, but presently I'm working on my PC. So basically I noticed a problem I have. Let me just go to my Canva, www.canva.com. So there's this particular problem I'm going to be solving today. It's an interesting problem. It is that, of course, I worked on a particular Canva document. Now I have saved it as PDF, which I am going to show you. I saved it here as a PDF, right? So I exported this to PDF from Canva, but I want to edit that PDF with CorelDRAW, and the PDF is not opening. So let me just show you how I saved it. I went to download here, right? So I've chosen PDF here, and I choose the particular page. And then I wait for the download button and I click download. Now already I have downloaded that file. So I'm just going to open it up from CorelDRAW now. So I have CorelDRAW opened on my other screen, but let me just drag that screen here so that you guys can see my CorelDRAW. Awesome. So I just create a new document. Okay. So I'm going to try to import, or let me just open. I'm going to open that Canva document I have downloaded. So I go to my downloads. So here it is, new slides. So I'm going to attempt to open it. Now watch the error it gives me. So it says import as text or curves. So let me just choose curves for now and click OK. The file is corrupt. This same thing will happen if I choose text. So that shows that CorelDRAW isn't able to open that PDF saved on Canva. So I'm going to solve this problem using Photopea. Photopea is a very, very interesting tool. So, and of course, I've already opened it up here, Photopea. Now let's just take a little bit closer look about what Photopea is. Of course, Photopea is a software, right, that is similar to Photoshop. It has a similar user interface with Photoshop, meaning that if you know how to use Photoshop very well, you would be able to use Photopea because it's just very similar or almost the same as Photoshop, and it has almost the same tools and functionalities too. So you can just read a little bit about Photopea here. So you see the creator. So here is him, Ivan Kutska. He's the creator of Photopea. You can read more about that. So, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to skip that. I'm going to open that same Canva document I downloaded, which is not opening on CorelDRAW, on Photopea, and look at it, open from computer. So this is it, new slide. I open it up. So I just wait for Photopea to load up that document. That same file CorelDRAW couldn't open. Now this is the interesting thing. It has similar interface with Photoshop. I mean similar. Look at it. All of the tools of Photoshop are here, or perhaps almost all. Look at the menu bar too. It's similar. So this is the layers panel. So look at it. I just click it now. As you can see, everything is editable. This is the Scott's legal text. I can edit it. Look at it. I can edit it. It's editable. I can change the font. Look at that. So anyways, everything is editable and I can move this guy, but that's not what we want to do. So what I want to do is to save it so that I can open it on CorelDRAW. So I just go ahead, file, I go to export as, and I go to PDF. So I'm going to re-export it as PDF. It seems to be that the PDF that Canva saves as is not editable, or it gives an error on CorelDRAW. So here's what I'm going to do. Now look at this dialog box. So look at the options here. Now it has vectorized text. So if you want to vectorize the text, you can just check that option. If you want to rasterize it, you can also check this option. In one of my LinkedIn posts, I have explained the difference between vector and raster. I will share the link below. So I'm just going to vectorize the text. I'm going to vectorize it because I don't want the text to change. I want it to maintain the same way it is. So if you vectorize it, the font wouldn't change on any software you import the document into. So I'm just going to vectorize it. I'm not going to rasterize it. I'm going to vectorize it and click save. But hold on, let me just change the name. So I type Photopea 1 and I click on save. So it downloads it for me, and let me just open this up. So here it is. So this is the new document we just downloaded. Let me open this up on CorelDRAW. Open with CorelDRAW. So again, we are back to this option again. So let me just choose curves, even though I believe it's already curved, but let me choose curves and click OK. And look at it, voila. Isn't this cool? You have everything. Look at it. It's curves. You know, look at the layers here. And this is a bitmap layer. This is a curve. This is also a curve. Everything. So I hope this tutorial is helpful to you guys. Use it to solve similar problem if you encounter the same. I'll catch you guys in another tutorial. Ensure you like, ensure you subscribe on our YouTube channel, and ensure you follow for more insightful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching. I remain your host, Benga Adelakon. It's bye from this side. Bye bye.